I have a huge surprise for Britton today. I bought her her dream car. I got Cody right here, who's been helping me out this entire time. Let's do it.
Dude, this is gonna be awesome. Super excited. Cameraman, she has no idea. This is gonna be so awesome.
Oh, let's do it.
Man, it's been a process to get this thing for her. I'm super excited for her. Well, let's go meet her.
So this is the first time that Cody has seen this car as well. I've sent him a ton of pictures, and so he's helped me through this whole process of buying it. So we're gonna go pick up Britton, and we're gonna surprise her with her dream car.
If she doesn't like it, we're in trouble. We're horrible people. Camera guy's been working super hard at locating and forking out a little bit of money, a little bit more money I think than he wanted to, but we're gonna surprise Britton for Christmas.
All right, you ready to work on Cody's Fox body today?
Yes.
You gonna work on it in those shoes?
Oh yeah, they're warm. What's up guys? So this is actually the first time I've ever helped Cody. He's helped me a lot on my cars, but I've never helped you, sorry.
I know, it was like pulling teeth to get her out here. I couldn't believe it.
I just don't think you trust me very much with your box body.
We gotta teach you. You got your own to build, so.
Yeah, I'm excited. Hey, guess what happened earlier today?
What?
You sound really interested.
He said, what?
What?
That was weak, traction control.
You got it a little bit. It was good.
It bogged.
That wasn't weak. That was amazing. We're here in Cody's garage. I'm so excited because we're gonna work on his Fox body today. And look at this engine. He got an engine. Look at that. Yes. Step one, get an engine. Done. We're getting there.
Step 2, install new engine.
That's right.
Easier said than done, usually, right? But I got camera guy helping, I got Britton helping, and yours truly. So I'm moving the focus. I need you to push this motor up here. It's only like 400 pounds. I think you got it. So I'm gonna run and grab the keys. Can you do that real quick? Camera guy? You know, when you assist if you need.
Are you serious?
No, I'll let her do that.
Are you serious? How am I gonna push this?
Well, it's on a tire. You should be able to do it.
If it falls, is that bad? Oh my gosh, I can't.
Well, get it from this side.
Okay, you come push it. See how well you do. Are you joking?
Come on, it's only 400 pounds. Oh,
I feel like I should be able to push this, but I can't.
I was running to get the keys, but this is too awesome.
No.
Just grab on something.
You do it.
Pull it.
See? That's the only way to get the Fox body out.
Oh, it's dirty.
It's okay, I can do this.
Just grab let's see,
what?
right here.
The
up
tire?
here. It's dirty. Here,
What
you
if
really?
I don't care if I have
And then just pull back, see if you can do it.
I heard it squeak. It moved.
Was that a toot?
No, it sounded like one though, huh?
All right. No, we're just kidding. We don't really need to move
We're
it too
totally
much.
kidding with you,
We got
man.
to lift. We can just lift it up.
Hey, Britton, we have a surprise for you. It's Christmas time. Just a little tiny surprise is what Cody's saying. Jump in the car with us.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Yeah. We gotta
Ready?
go for a quick ride.
Let's go for a quick ride.
But remember, it's Christmas, right? Mm-hmm. So
And we love you. Okay?
and we're poor, so don't expect a whole lot, right? But we gotta run and go grab it.
Anything.
Well,
Okay. Well, let's go back in the
so
car.
are we still working on your car though?
heck no.
We have to finish the Celine.
Oh, we'll get to
next
it.
time. Next time. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. What do you guys do?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're going to go do something fun. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
All right. Sorry guys, I didn't drive the Raptor. I drove the Mustang today.
That's okay. Oh my gosh, what did you guys do?
Here, you guys head out. I'm gonna hit the lights.
Okay.
Don't hit it too hard.
What is it? Tell me real quick. What is it?
I'm not telling you.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Let's put it this way. Cody has really helped me out on this. And so
The shoes.
a big thank you to Cody for this.
Thank
Okay?
you, Cody.
I could not have done it without Cody here. So hop in the car.
You're giving me
Let's
your
go.
car.
You want it? I mean, here,
Got it,
I'm
bud.
dailying it in the snow, so.
Okay.
You can,
Is
I think
it
it's unlocked. You want me to open your door for you?
shoes? I mean, you can't.
Shoes?
I can do this. Is it shoes?
We didn't
When's the
get you
last
no
time a
stinking
guy
shoes.
did
Is it? Do you want me to send him back or you?
Yes.
We're gonna pull in this church parking lot right here.
We're going to church. That's my present.
Yeah.
You need it. You need to clean up that little mouth of yours sometimes.
I know.
That's what she said stuff.
You know, I'm working parking on it, okay?
All right, Cody, why don't you park right here?
Literally nothing here. It's in your trunk, huh? Should I go check the trunk?
Yes, it is.
You want to check the trunk?
Yes, I do.
All right, get me out of this back
Is
seat,
it
y'all.
wrapped?
Get me out of here. Oh.
The trunk popped.
Yeah.
So, I know she's wanting to get her look at this. It's a freaking mess. Check it out. So, I know you were wanting your Fox.
Cobra brakes.
We got you some Cobra
Yeah.
brakes.
You're
No,
welcome.
that's not it. Give those back. Those are mine.
Not it.
Yeah, those are going on my car.
I did want Cobra brakes.
You don't want those. I gotta drop them off at the painters.
So why
not
did
in
you
the
open
trunk.
the trunk?
Not in the trunk.
Now we gotta go for a walk.
There's literally nothing here.
We're walking. Oh, she has no idea, does she?
Are you? Oh,
Whoa.
Matrix.
Gee, no kidding.
Matrix. Bring it. Do it again.
Oh, Cody! That was going for your face.
All right, we're almost there.
You gotta close your eyes.
Hang on. What do
Close
you
your eyes,
really
close your
think
eyes.
that it could be in a parking lot?
I kind of feel like you guys are pranking me. I think it's gonna be something bad.
Something bad?
I don't know.
We're at a church.
I don't know. You guys
We
have.
would never prank you at a church.
So I have to close my eyes like
Well,
this.
don't fall off the sidewalk.
While I'm
Here,
looking down.
hold my hand. Okay?
Am I gonna fall? Can I get on the road so that I don't
Yeah,
fall?
you can get on the road.
Okay. Am I gonna run into anything?
No, not yet, at least. You promise you will not peek.
I'm not peeking.
Promise? Okay, keep walking. Keep walking.
You're almost there. We
Am
just
I gonna
gotta turn
hit
the corner.
anything?
All right, put your hand out. Put it on the cement. Now stand up and keep walking. You promise you're not peeking. Do not peek,
promise.
okay?
I would not peek.
Okay, this is actually pretty serious. Come here, take my hand. Okay, I know you're not peeking because I've been trying to grab your hand. Do not look. All right.
Are we almost there?
Well, we wanted to say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And Cody has helped me out so much on this. And want to say shout out to Cody because I've been in constant contact with him for the past month
Are you
on
serious?
this purchase.
Probably even more than a month.
And it has taken a very long time because these are darn near impossible to get. And
Wait. Is it?
don't say anything. Don't look. You swear
I
it.
promise,
Do not
I promise,
look.
I promise.
Okay? So this is because we love you. Yeah, anything else you want to say, Cody?
Let's just say if you sell it,
So what?
sell it.
You give me back all the money.
Yeah, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be pissed if it goes for sale in a couple months.
All right, wait.
I just snorted.
We got you a cow in that field right there.
All right,
Yay.
stand right here. Close your eyes. Okay. Now, open them.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is that a Terminator?
Yes, it is.
Well, that's for me.
Yes, it
Do
is.
you have the keys? Where are the keys? I
Hold
don't
on.
believe you.
Go
Let
check
me
it
see
out.
the keys.
Go check it out. What do you think? This is your car.
Oh my gosh. Can I see it? Can we pop the hood?
Well,
What?
we
I
Wait
wanna
a
see
second.
the
Yes, take it.
supercharger. Oh my
This
gosh.
is a 2003 Terminator Cobra, and I've sent Cody a ton of pictures. So this is the first time Cody has seen it as well.
This is really mine.
Yes, it is. I swear, this is yours. It's insured. It's all taken care of. This thing is ready to go.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Can I see under the hood? You kept the
all right,
doors
should I
locked.
drop the
couldn't
bombshell?
Yes.
That's my new YouTube car. Ah, joke's on you.
even- This is your car?
No, this is yours.
No, it's
Oh,
yours.
I was like,
100%
nah, that's
yours.
mean.
All right, Britton. So this is a 2003 Mustang Terminator Cobra.
miles?
Has 40,000 original miles. One owner. It is also bone stock. There is no modifications whatsoever to this car.
No
Yeah,
way.
none.
It's exactly what I've been wanting, you
Okay,
guys.
you ready?
Oh my gosh.
Here are the keys.
Got it. You can't run fast enough.
Check out the inside.
Seats, you guys, come look at these seats right now.
All right, Cody, what do you think after seeing it through the
It looks
pictures?
good.
Look at
It
the
looks really good.
Oh my gosh, look at these seats. Look at the Cobra there. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted a Cobra. And it's like perfect. Holy cow, how did you find
really
it?
haven't had a chance to completely clean it out yet, but
I don't care, I love it. Thank you so much. Can I turn it on?
not yet. You gotta pop the hood first.
Come on, let me turn it
Pop the
on.
hood.
Take small steps, lady.
She's already wanting to do burnouts in it.
Drive
Oh, we're
it.
gonna do a burnout for sure.
It'll be easy to do that today because it's all wet on the ground.
It's dirty, guys, but haven't had a chance to clean it up yet.
Look at that.
Bone stock.
Supercharger. I've always wanted a supercharger. So cool.
All right, Cody, what do you think?
It's dirty.
Yeah,
It's
sorry.
dirty. Well,
Look how pretty it is,
when you
though.
road trip to pick a car up, it's gonna get dirty.
The SVT Cobra, you guys. So do you guys remember a long time ago, I reviewed a Terminator Cobra and it was so fun. Ever since then, I have wanted one and I finally have it. Can I drive it now? Can I start it?
You can start it up.
No, you gotta take me around the block.
Yeah, you deserve to ride in it too, Cody. I mean, shoot.
Barely.
You really helped me out. What do you think, Cody? You see anything bad?
No, I'm just kind of looking it over, just checking it out. I like it.
My first time starting my Cobra. What's wrong? What happened? Oh,
Is clutch all the way in?
yeah.
There it is.
Oh, man.
It's not very loud. There's no exhaust
Holy
on it.
cow, it's
Oh,
quiet.
Mama.
Wow.
Bone stock, just like you like them, right?
That's exactly what I wanted.
That's what she said.
I was thinking the same thing.
Can I go for a drive real quick or do a
You
donut?
you don't have to ask us. It's your
It's your
car.
car.
Yeah,
Okay.
just jump in and go. I got it. I got it.
What? Like you mean in the parking lot?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
just gonna do
Are you gonna do a
something.
donut?
I don't know. I'll try. How do you do a
Hey,
donut?
whip it
Turn
around.
traction control off.
See what you got.
Stand
No
back.
pressure. No pressure.
Don't kill us.
Am I good? I don't want to hit you. Move.
Go. Smells like burnt tire and a little bit of burnt clutch.
A little bit of clutch.
Listen, that was my first burnout like that. Oh, it wasn't a burnout. It was a donut.
You
The
hadn't even
first
driven the
donut.
car, so it was good.
I know, it was so
It was
cool.
way good.
Make sure to go follow Cody. His channel is FiveO. He is awesome. Go check out his channel now. We'll see you next time. Bye.